Hey up, happy people, good morning. So today we are in the Rocker Woods. We are gonna have a quick wander on the trails, and as always I'm gonna prepare something nice as a snack. Always when I'm outdoor I like to have a sweet snack. So today I'm gonna show you how to do English s'mores, the best thing ever when you are out. Keep in touch.
Se vadă și bizonul cum mergi sau?
Nu neapărat.
Ok. E bine.
These woods are lovely. Absolutely lovely. Look, somebody done a hey up. Somebody done a nice shelter here. Let me check it out. Somebody put some work into this. Interesting. Bun, păi dacă cred că-ți fac greu, cum i-a făcut? Nu cred că ajungem acasă, cam în 45 de minute. The sound of the wood, it's amazing. You can hear all the birds. Oh, it's just lovely. But now I'm looking for a place where I can put my camp. Okay, that's a good space here. Let's see. Let's see what we have here. If we find somewhere where we can have our little snack. Oh, this is perfect. Let me see what's around. Okay, that's the perfect spot. So now that we found the spot, we will need to set our little camp, and we go from there. So let's see what we're having here. We have the tarp, but I don't think we are gonna use it today because we have the stove, digestives, mug, coffees, the flint, marshmallows for the s'mores. And to be honest, I think that's all we need. Okay, look what we found here. So somebody's been here before. This is a nice place. This is a nice place. And to be honest, I am just after some wood for the s'mores. The Mora knife, amazing, one of the best things that you can buy. What we have here, these things are amazing. Somebody been here before, tried something. Okay, so okay, so now we have the fire, we have all the ingredients. I forgot to mention, I also bought some chocolate for the secret twist. So let's start with the digestive. So we are gonna need two here, two here. We have the marshmallows and we have some chocolate. depending how much you love the chocolate or how much of a sugar rush you want. So now on a stick over the fire. And hopefully the marshmallow will actually melt the chocolate. That's the secret plan. Yeah, and cover it up. Look at this. Just look at this. The chocolate is melting. You have the digestives. Oh, this is just lovely. So, because I have Andre with me today, he's my camera boy. Couldn't call it a cameraman, but he's helping me a lot, and to be honest, he's an active part in producing this video. He also loves the outdoor and he's passionate about photography. So so we do the same thing for him. Make sure your marshmallow is not burning up, and try to put it over the chocolate and press it. Look at that. Just look at this. That's just lovely. Yeah. Now, with a good dessert, you need a good cup of coffee or tea, whatever you fancy. So, get some water. I never did this one. So now we are just watching the kettle boil, the longest part ever. But I'm happy to wait. I'm really happy to wait under this condition. My s'mores are ready. Okay, the water starts boiling now. Now we just need to make sure we tidy up everything, so we don't leave any trace of us being here or disturbing the nature in any way, shape or form. So the water is now boiling. What I'm gonna do, stop the fire first. With the water in half. We can use the same one from the marshmallow. Give it a quick stir. Let's see what we have here. So this looks amazing. This looks amazing. Let's see. What can be better than this? So guys, I don't know about you, but for me this is a perfect day. We had a nice dessert. We're enjoying the outdoors, and I could do this as a job if I'm completely honest with you. Very important, once you are ready to head home, make sure that you leave the forest, you leave the place where you've camped exactly how you found it, without leaving a trace. So it's very important that we maintain this leave no trace policy. And honestly, it's not enough words that I can say of how important this is for the next generation. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe the channel, and look after yourself. Make sure you leave no trace. If possible, put even the leaves the same way that they were.